Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a really fun haul for you. If you have been watching my channel or following me on Instagram, you know I recently went to Universal Studios. I did the Wizarding World of Harry Potter and I found some really wonderful souvenirs there. I've put them together. I want to share them with you. I also want to talk to you guys about a giveaway I'm doing. One of the items is going to be a giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned to win. I did a giveaway over on Instagram while I was actually there. It was so fun. I'll put a link to my Instagram below if you want to head on over there and follow me. It's something I've done before. It's something I plan to do in the future. So if you like giveaways, make sure you head on over there and keep watching. The first thing I'm going to share with you is something that I knew going into the trip I was going to purchase. I got a wand. If you have never been to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, you might not know, but they have an Ollivander's wand shop. They actually have two, one in each of the theme parks. Ollivander's is the famous wand maker in the book series, and they do a whole experience there for the kids and the adults, and it's so super sweet. You walk in and you watch a show, and one child or adult gets picked to actually go up and talk to the wand maker and try to find a wand, and magical things happen, and then you are released into the shop and you can browse for your own wand. And I got Hermione Granger's. Let's see if you can see that. Hermione is one of my favorite characters, which is like no surprise there. She's everybody's favorite, and her wand is super pretty. So you get it in this really cute box. I have never done this before. I've been to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter a number of times, but I've never bought one of their wands before. And then you get this map. It's really cute, and it's got, on each side it's got the Harry Potter land in each of the two parks. So Universal Studios is two theme parks, and in each park they have a Harry Potter land. So on one side we've got Hogsmeade, on the other side we've got Diagon Alley. And the reason that you need the map is I got an interactive wand. So what that means is you can actually walk around different spots in the park and you can do spells and magical things happen. And so the map helps you know where to find those locations. And this is what the wand looks like. It's got this like twisting vine pattern here. It's really pretty. It's a nice length. I'm happy to have it. It's something that I know I will keep and bring back with me every time I return. I have in mind that my daughter can use it as she gets older, because I know I will be bringing her, and I really hope she's a Harry Potter fan. So it was a really fun experience. I'm glad I did it. It came in a very pretty wand bag as well. You get an Ollivander shopping bag. The bag got a little crushed in travel, but there you go. And so I said that this is interactive. They sell non-interactive wands as well that look exactly the same, but it's only $6 more to get the interactive wand. I think this was $56. So it is pricey, but like I said, it's a whole experience, and you can bring it back every time you return and use it again. If you're a Harry Potter fan, especially for children, it's such a special experience. I got a little trinket dish that I was so excited to find. I picked it right up as soon as I saw it. I think I saw this for sale in the Honeydukes shop, and they might have had it at the other candy store as well. They have two candy stores in Harry Potter World, and it's so like I said, it's a little trinket dish, and it looks like a chocolate frog box. How cute is this? It's ceramic, really nice. It's a nice size. It's pretty deep, but it looks just like the box. It's so cute. It's pretty spacious inside. That's what it looks like. I actually considered for a minute doing this as a giveaway because it's so cute, but I was afraid it would break when I mailed it to the winner. But I'm really happy to have it. This was $24.95. I'm going to put this in my daughter's room on her dresser and keep little bows in it. How sweet is that? I actually have a Honeydukes jar in her room as well. I'll put it next to the Honeydukes jar. This is one of my favorite things that I picked up while I was there. Speaking of the giveaway, the item that I did end up getting for the Instagram giveaway, this has already been given out, was this journal. I'm going to open it up. So they had a whole set of journals, lined notepaper journals, that looked like books from the movies. They had Beetle the Bard. This was by far my favorite. It's the Advanced Potions book. This looks like the book. How to explain this? In the 6th novel, Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince, Harry and Ron fight over a spell book that they need for class, and Harry wins. He gets the nice one. Ron gets an old beat-up one, and the one that Harry ends up using, of course, is the one that has all these secret notes in it that the mysterious Half-Blood Prince had written in there. It helps him pass his potions class, and then more happens. I won't spoil it, but this is what the book looks like. It looks just like this in the movie. It's so cute. And inside, it's just lined paper. So, you know, you can use it for grocery lists or secret spells that you want to write, whatever. So I bought this one for myself. I bought a second one. I already gave it away. Somebody won on Instagram. It was super fun to do. And I don't remember how much this was. I think it was about $25. The souvenirs at Harry Potter World are pricey, but I think it's a really nice keepsake, and I use notepads all the time, so it's just perfect for me. I got this really darling little ornament. I think it is a Christmas ornament, but you can use it really for anything. This looks like Ginny Weasley's dress when she goes to the Yule Ball. It is so darling. I love the detail on it. They even got the buttons right. It looks just like what the actress wears in the movie. Ginny is not necessarily my favorite character, but I already have a couple of these that it goes with. So they have Hermione's dress, they have Ron's crazy dress robes. I own those already, so this is gonna go with it. They also had Victor Crumb's outfit that looked really, really cute. They have Harry's, I think they have Fleur Delacour's. It's such a sweet series of ornaments that they're doing. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, that looks a little better. I hope you guys can see. It's super, super cute. I love the little layers. Really pretty. I got this item as well. It's also an ornament. This is so super pretty. This, oh, is the Claire gonna get it? This looks like Harry's Hogwarts letter, and it comes on this little like baker's twine string. It's addressed to him just like it is in the movie. It looks like an envelope. And then on the back, oh well, here it's glaring because I have it wrapped up. I'll unwrap it for you guys. So there on the front, it's addressed to him, and then on the back it's got the Hogwarts crest and it's got the seal, and I don't know if you can see, but it's got like the lines of the envelope. It looks really detailed. It's really charming. I think this would look pretty on a tree if you had a dozen of them, but it was $17, so you might not want to buy a dozen, but I think this is going to go really cute with the other little ornaments that I have. I have this lanyard that I actually didn't buy. I went with my best girlfriend and she bought it for me. It's really, really cute. It says Hogwarts alumni. She bought it for me because she knows that I like that kind of thing where it looks like I actually went to the school and now I'm an alumnus. It's a really cute pattern on it as well. It looks sporty. It kind of looks like you went to the Quidditch World Cup and got it. We wore lanyards around the parks while we were there because you get your ticket and then you have an express pass and you have to constantly show them. It's not like Disney World. You constantly need those tickets. So we just wore them around our neck, and whenever we got on a ride, we could flash it. It was really convenient. She had one as well. I got some candy items, and this is actually the giveaway. I bought, how can you go and not buy these two items? They're so classic. I got a real chocolate frog. This is not a dish. One chocolate frog, and I got a box of Bertie Bott's every flavor beans. The packaging on these is just so genius. They did it so, so well. I absolutely love this. If you're a Harry Potter fan, this is a great thing to have in your collection. I don't know that I would even eat them. I would just kind of have them out. But I am giving these away to one winner. So if you want to enter to win this giveaway, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to me. Hit that red subscribe button right below. And then leave a comment. Just anything you want. Comment, say hi, say love those beans, whatever you want. And then I'm going to draw one winner randomly, and I will announce it, I think, next week. So yeah, if you're a Harry Potter fan, make sure to enter. I would love to receive these in a giveaway. I didn't buy these for myself, so it was a real thinker, should I get rid of them? But I'm happy to share the love. This is something that I didn't necessarily buy for this, but it's really cute, so I saved it. You can buy something called a cauldron cake at one of the sweet shops, and a cauldron cake is something that's mentioned in the books all the time, and it's I put this on my stories on Instagram. It looked crazy. It came in this really neat box, and then there was a cake inside the cauldron, and it had these crazy flames of frosting coming out of them. Super cool. And then I saved the cauldron because it's silicone, and you can actually bake in this. So how cute is this going to be? Like at Halloween time, I can bake one of those little individual cakes and then share it with somebody. I thought this was a super sweet little souvenir that came on the side. At one point, my friend and I, we just kept buying candy and eating it in the lines. We were acting like we were 12. And I got something, I think these were jelly worms, but it came in this really darling tin. with the little Honeydukes logo on it. So I saved the tin. Why not? I could store anything in here. Probably hair bows for my daughter. She has dozens of hair bows, so hair bow receptacles are always needed. But this is super, super sweet. I think it's a fun bonus souvenir, as was this. I got butterbeer, of course, how could you not? And I bought it in the souvenir cup. This was so fun to take pictures with. We had so much fun with the butterbeer. Butterbeer is super, super sweet, and I'm not necessarily a sweets person, but how could you not? I mean, we just kept ordering our cups of butterbeer in our mug. Really fun little photo opportunities, and again, you get to keep the mug. And then I bought pumpkin juice, which I don't like to drink. It does not taste good to me, but look at this packaging. I mean, that is so perfect. Again, such a great little photo prop if you like taking Harry Potter photos. I had to bring the bottle home with me. It was too cute to leave behind. And like everybody was drinking these. I don't think anybody loves the taste of them, but if you're a Harry Potter fan, you are definitely going to be picking this up. I have one more item that is not here, so I am going to run and grab it really quick. Okay, I'm back. So the last item I got was this really darling Hogwarts crest tree topper. So that is what it's intended for, but I think you could use this a ton of different ways. It's like enamel and metal. It's got these rings here on the side. When I was checking out, the guy who was selling it to me told me a lot of people use it as a candle holder. It's a really pretty piece of home decor. I think this will go really nicely with the other ornament items I already own. It's so pretty. It almost looks like stained glass in the back. It's really well done. It's really hefty. I looked at it and I looked at it and I looked at it, and I decided I couldn't leave it behind. They had it up on a tree with all of this ribbon and stuff, and the way they styled it up, it was gorgeous. If you do follow me on Instagram or you subscribe, I'm sure when we get into the winter you will see that prominently displayed somewhere. So that is it. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite item was. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you can enter to win the giveaway. I had so much fun. I'm sharing a ton of photos over on Instagram from my trip. I will see you guys next time. Bye.